Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I'm going to show you how to remove suggested posts on your Instagram app. So as you can see on your Instagram app, you can see some suggested posts on your timeline. Well, actually, there's no option right here to turn this off permanently. But if you want to remove these suggested posts, all you have to do is tap on the X icon at the top right of the post. And then as you can see here, post hidden, don't suggest posts from Japan number 1, don't suggest posts with certain words, snooze all suggested posts in feed for 30 days, or this post made me uncomfortable. So for this, I will choose this snooze all suggested post in feed for 30 days. So as you can see, we won't show suggested posts for 30 days. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.